Slay. Hi everyone, my name is Katie. Welcome back to my channel. My morning hair is just another thing. But this hair, it's not giving. It's not giving, you guys. It's not giving. When I say it's not giving, it's because it's not giving. A question. Do you guys study with music or you guys can't study with music? Please comment down below. I have to get ready to go to school again in like half an hour. So it's been 2 hours since I started studying and I need to get ready to go to school again. I need to make lunch and everything. I'm tired of studying, literally only 2 hours, but I'm tired. I still have so many things to do. I'm going to school. I'm so late. Oh! So yeah, when I get to school, at class actually, when I get to my class, I talk to you guys again. We just finished Portuguese class. No, leave me alone. They're fighting. Yes. We finished math and now I need to run home because it's raining. It's raining there. At the bathroom, we're going to pee and then go home really fast. Look who's waiting for me.
It's raining.
Look who's waiting for me. Wait. Hi everyone, it's your future Katie. I'm just here to explain what happened. So I got home, then I called an Uber right away. I went to Mariana's house to have a dance practice with my dance group. That's basically it. And now I'm going to show you guys some clips that I took.
적이 없으니까 지저분이 목에 먹줄은 내 거니까 땅바닥에 단표로 we go 205 shut it down oh vroom 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 when we pull up you know it's a
Okay, so right now it's like 7:30 p.m. and I need to get ready for karate. Okay, I'm gonna get dressed and see you guys in a minute.
Say hi.
Hi everyone, well, I finished karate. I already had dinner and right now it's 10 past midnight. And yeah, honestly, I'm really sleepy. And that was it for today. This was it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching and see you in 2 weeks.